Hi guys. So real quick, this is how you can, if you're not sure how to open and annotate with the program called Kami, this is how you do it. So you're going to click on the PDF. It'll open. I think there it comes, and then up top here, kind of towards the center, you can hit Open with, and then Annotate with Kami. Click that. And as it's going, now what you'll be able to do, you'll be able to access it. You'll be able to write on it. You can insert text. I'll get there. It's slowly but surely opening. Oh, cool. There's 48 teachers using it in my domain. Awesome. Off to the side here, to the left is where you'll have the options. All right, so it should be loading. So here is your graph. So here's where you're going to be plotting the points for the five different trees. 0, as it says earlier, is the position of your house. So you can choose markup. You can write on it, choose your color, and plot the points. And later on, it's going to ask you to connect using a straight edge. Do not try to freehand a straight edge. There's a a straight edge line tool in the shapes. Insert line, and you would click from one tree to the next. Okay, hope that's helpful.